Today we are going to react to Shah Rukh Khan birthday special mashup by Mansoor Rashid Edits. It already has 45,000 views, so it's pretty great. And today is Shah Rukh Khan's birthday, so we are going to react to this particular mashup on his special birthday. But before starting the video, I'd like to request you to please subscribe my channel, the bell icon, so never missing a video from me. Listen to Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and description below. If you want to comment or something, suggestions, and give me feedback or follow me, I would love to talk to you guys too. So without further ado, let's start. This was Om Shanti Om, actually. One of the greatest movies, I can say, with the reincarnation concept. November 2, 1965. Okay.
एक्चुअली इतने सालों में मैंने जो भी किया है उससे मेरा कुछ नहीं है, क्योंकि मैं जो भी जहाँ भी हूँ जिस मुकाम पे अपने फैंस की वजह से, अगर मेरे फैंस नहीं तो मैं कुछ
This is from the movie Badshah. This is Don 2. Doctor, yes, now he's Doctor 2. Guys, amazing. Yeah. Yes, this is actually great, really great.
एक लड़की थी दीवानी सी,
Mohabbatein,
वो मरती थी, नजरें झुका
Om Shanti Om, Dilwale Dulhania, Chennai Express. I actually Kerua Dilwale. It was Rais. G1, everyone's favorite actually.
ये प्यार कैसे होता है?
More stylish couples.
Oh yes.
Shah Rukh and Gauri.
और मैं सिर्फ नहीं कह पाता कि
Whoa. Wow. Yeah, amazing. Great editing, man. Great editing. Amazing. Yeah. Wow. Don. Yeah. Wow. Lovely. Superb, man. The music with the beats and the fighting scenes together, the combination amazing.
I should have been a superhero one day. I should be a fan one day. I should be a leader one day. I should be
Meuna, yeah, right. This was great. Golgappe competition, right? Dil To Pagal. I saw this in the movie. Sorry, in the theater. Shit, what I'm saying. Lovely. Whoa. Ooh. My God. Yeah, he actually faced a little bit of issues actually.
नेशनल स्कूल ऑफ ड्रामा में कैंटीन चलाते थे।
Right.
हॉस्पिटल के पीछे दिल्ली में छोटा सा, तो वो छोटे से कियोस्क में चाय बनाकर बेचते थे। आखिर दिनों में नेशनल स्कूल ऑफ ड्रामा में उसकी मेस भी चलाते थे।
शाह के बड़े सपने छोटे पर्दे पर कहाँ समा सकते थे। उन्होंने मुंबई का रुख किया।
मेरे पास रहने को जगह नहीं थी, मुझे किराए का घर लेना पड़ा। मेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे, सो आई रिमेंबर राजीव कॉल्ड मी एंड गिव मी मनी फॉर माय किराया ऑफ माय हाउस। मैं मुंबई में मूवी स्टार बन सकता हूँ।
Yeah, amazing. All these years, we have seen him growing up all these years actually. Really amazing. Whoa. That's nice. Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, the evergreen scene.
उससे सबको दीवाने से छीन क्योंकि जो प्यार होता है वो आप हमसे नहीं छीन सकते
अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त
Ah, lovely. That's amazing. Race, Dawn.
मैं एक दिन नहीं को बोलने का
Nice, nice, really nice. I can say after Michael Jackson, he has that type of, gatherings. Whoa! Wow! Amazing. Whoa! Nice. The bloods are really good actually. The Dawn and everyone. Actor, film actor, best debut, best villain, best actor, best producer. Now Bacha. Okay. Wow.
अगर मेरे फैंस नहीं तो मैं कुछ
Mansoor Rashid has done a really great job. Amazing, I would say. Absolutely fantastic. This actually has premiered on October 28th. They actually take out this particular thing so that earlier, so that when the actual birthday comes, people should know that this particular thing, and they can search it out on YouTube, and they get this particular thing having a large number of views. That's an absolutely great strategy for that. But they have, talking about just the editing, they have done absolutely fantastic. I would say that in the start they did a little bit of like with the combination of the remix music, and also after that they even took the Rab Ne Bata Di Jodi, that was the background music, and even did that. So it was amazing, taking all the dialogues from Shah Rukh Khan's movies and just making it up for this particular whole thing from the start till the end, from the time he was born till the time he made all the struggles and everything, and he also got married to Gauri, and then afterwards he came into the movies, started with the debut with the TV serial actor, and then eventually he passed on with this particular whole Bollywood. He got a break in Bollywood with the movie Deewana, and after Deewana there is non-stop career which he just takes on the jobs again and again and makes us entertain worldwide, not just us, worldwide. People know him, no matter if it's President Obama or it's Hugh Jackman or like John Travolta or any person in the whole movie industry, I would say, people know him. And even being second most richest actor, he's so ground to earth, he's so down. It's totally amazing the way he just imbibes everything, and being with the people who love him. He doesn't have any kind of things like egoistic or something like that. It's really amazing still, and he gets all these degrees of this particular. He just got this doctor degree for this entertainment industry and everything. So it's pretty amazing to see how fantastic he has grown from all these years. And we have seen him actually doing all the movies. There were hits, there were blockbuster hits, there were flops. Still he does not stop. Still he tries to innovate each and every time he makes the movies. And I remember one of the interviews of Shah Rukh Khan where he was actually asked why he's trying so much to do different kind of roles, different kind of things like G1 is there, or Zero is there, or I would say Fan is there. He constantly tries to level up the VFX of the Indian film industry to match up the Hollywood, or just go ahead of the times, because the type of VFX that he is using, his own company is using, is to a great extent. You see the movie Fan, you see the movie Zero, you see just G1. Okay, forget about these two for a second, that is Fan and Zero. Just talking about G1, the kind of lightning bolting and the suit which they were used with, all the even when the character gets died, it all gathers out all the pieces, just like the Terminator or something like that. It was so amazing to see that the way they have gathered all that things into one, and just all the children used to like it so much that they forgot about the traditional Ravan, and they actually preferred this Ravan. Ravan is actually the villain's name, but his name was G1, the good one. It doesn't make any sense that when you see the the whole movie actually, but it was a nice character which it was developed as a superhero. Everyone liked this. It was really nice. It was one of the biggest budgeted movies of all times actually. So nice. So this was the reaction. I hope you liked it. Same point of time, I'd like to request you to please give a big thumb this particular video so that I know that you like my reaction. I'm motivated to do more reaction videos for you guys. Also, I would like to request you to please subscribe to the bell icon so never anything updates from me. Listen to Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Can description below if you want to comment or some suggestions. I'll give me feedback or follow me. I'd love to hear from you guys too. So we also have a timetable Monday to Sunday, which I usually try to follow as much as possible until and unless new trailer comes out or something. It is like urgency of the situation as per the needs and wants of that particular period of time. That is Monday and Thursday it is a song reaction. Tuesday and Friday it's a comedy routine or stand-up comedy or something like that, or any funny videos which needed to be reacted on. Wednesday and Saturday it will be like action scene or like a particular scene from a particular movie, irrespective of the action or something, whatever it is, like it will be a particular scene. And on Sundays and Saturday, Sundays actually 2 days will be like the different complex and the mix up. That is might be trailer reaction or a scene reaction or anything or something which is like out of the box, anything I would totally react to. And Sunday, if it is possible, if I get any contributor or something like that from out of the channel or something, so I'll be even calling people who are cooking actually, because basically I also have a cooking channel that is Power. She will be getting at the end of the video, so please do subscribe to the channel, that channel too. So basically I have 3 channels, this particular channel, K4 Kavit, and also Power. So please do subscribe to all the 3 channels. You'll be able to connect with me over there. And also we have our Instagram and Twitter, as I already told you. You can even like connect with me over there too. So Instagram, Facebook and Twitter over there in the link below. So just click on it and follow me over there. So until next reaction, next review, I would request you stay connected.